Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at the previous year, that is the Lower Division Assistant LDA question paper, and we will be solving the mathematics section like step by step. I'll be explaining each question clearly without skipping any step. So even if you're like a beginner, you can understand the concept easily. So if you're preparing for the LDA or any other competitive exam, this will be very helpful for you. Now let's begin with our first question. Ram's salary was decreased by 50% and subsequently increased by 50%. So we need to find how much percent did Ram lose on his salary. Is it 12.5%, 25%, 20.5%, or 30% lost? So from the question, we need to find Ram's loss or salary loss in percent format. So what is a percent? Percent here literally means per 100, meaning the whole value or the total value. So whenever we see 50%, we should think 50. If I remove the percent, that would be 100. So 50 out of 100. So let me put that out there. Now, we need to assume Ram original salary because from the question, Ram salary is not given. So we can just assume. So I can say let Ram original salary equal to 100 rupees. So that would be 100. This is one of the standard metric because percentage are based on 100. Now from the question, Ram's salary is decreased by 50%. So 50% of 100. So I can write that as 50 over 100 times 100. Here 100 is the salary, Ram's salary. So that would give me 50. So Ram new salary after the decrease of 50% would be 100 minus 50. That would equal to 50 rupees. So Ram's salary is now 50. From 100, he is now 50. So from the question again, Ram's salary increased by 50%. So this 50 increase is not on his original salary, but on the new decreased salary that we already calculated, which is 50. So we can do the calculation of 50% of 50. So that would be 50 over 100 times the old decreased salary, which is 50. So that would give me 25 rupees. So if I do 50, the old plus the new increased salary, that would give me 75. So the total or the final in-hand salary that Ram received is 75 rupees. Now we need to find the loss. So the original salary is 100. The final salary is 75. So the loss would be 100 minus 75. That would give me 25. So Ram lost the overall salary of 25 rupees. But I need to convert this loss into percent format. So in order to do that, I would use this loss over the original salary times 100. 100 is the whole value. So 25 divided by 100 times 100, that would give me 25%. So the loss or the overall salary that Ram has is 25%. So let's move on to the next question. In a hotel, 60% had vegetarian lunch, while 30% had non-vegetarian lunch and 15% had both type of lunches. If the total of people, which is 96, were present, we need to find how much did not eat either type of the lunch, meaning we need to find those people who did not eat either veg and non-veg, meaning they didn't eat either of the type. So how many people who did not eat? Is it 28, 20, 26, or 24? We will be understanding this question using the Venn diagram. So we are given the total number of people equal to 96. So vegetarian, or the number of people who eat veg, would be 60 from the question. And the number of people who are non-veg is 30%. So let me put it there. And 15% had both type of lunches, meaning veg and non-veg. So I can put it in between, which is both 15. Now we need to subtract for the overlap or the duplicate because this 15% here represent those people who ate both either veg or non-veg. So I need to remove that overlapped. So how do we do that? Well, we simply subtract the value with our veg and non-veg. So that'll be 60 minus 15. That would give me 45. And 30 minus 15, that would give me 15. Now, veg equal 45%, non-vegetarian equal be 15%. But people who ate both veg and non-veg would be 15. I can simply put it as 15. So I can write as 45 plus 15, plus 15, that would give me the overall or the total number of people equal to 75%. Now people who are ate neither, I need to include those people. So I can write 100% minus 75%. That would give me 25%. So people who did not eat either veg and then non-veg equal to 25%. So I can write 96. So that will be the total. That is 25 divided by 100 times 96. That would give me the value of 24. So 24 people did not eat either the veg and non-veg lunch. Let's try to solve this question using a different method or approach. So that will be the percentage or shortcut method. This is the most common method we can use. Step 1, we'll be using the formula directly, which is neither equal 100%. Here 100 represent the whole. So I'm including everyone, both veg, non-veg, and people who ate like both veg and non-veg. So that'll be 100% minus veg plus non-veg minus both. Both are those people who ate veg and non-veg, so the overlapping value. If I substitute the value, that would give me 100 minus 60% plus 30% minus 15%. If I simplify the value inside the bracket, that would give me 100% minus 75%. If I subtract those values, that would give me 25%. Now we need to convert it to number. So that will be 25% of 96. Well, we can simply do 25 over 100 times 96, which is our total. That would give me 24. So the answer is 24 people who did not eat either type of lunch. So the next method is assumption or the table method. Step 1, we need to assume the total number of people. So that would be 100 people. If you look at the table, we have category in people. Veg is given, which is 60. Non-veg is 30. Both who ate veg and non-veg is 15. Now we need to find who ate something. Now we know that 60 plus 30 minus 15, which is the overlap value, would equal to 75. And people who ate nothing would be 100, the overall total value, minus the 75 people. That would give me 25. So 25 people who ate nothing. Now we need to scale to the actual value, which is 96, because that's the total number of people. So that would be 25% of 96. So the same process, 25 over 100 times 96, that would give me 24, which is the same answer, which is 24. Let's move on to the next question. If the selling price of an article is 4/3 of its cost price, we need to find the profit in the transaction. So is the profit is 20.5% or 1/3%, or 25.5%, or 33 1/3%, or none of the above. So from the question given, the selling price or the sold price of an article is 4/3 of the actual price or the cost price. So we need to find the profit. So how much profit did we made when we sold that article? First step would be assuming a convenient cost price or the original price. As the cost price or the original price is not given, we can just assume. So whenever fractions are involved, we chose a number that cancels the denominator. In our case, that is 4/3. We can assume the cost price equal to 3. The reason we chose 3 is because the denominator is 3. This makes the calculation easier. As from the question given, it's 4/3. Well, we can simply use the cost price as 4/3 because it is similar for ease of calculation. So let me put there, cost price equal to 3. So we need to find the selling price. So I can write selling price equal 4/3, which is from the question, times the cost price. We already assumed the cost price, which is 3. So I can write 4/3 times 3. So that would be 3 cancel. That would be the selling price equal to 4. Let me place it up there. So we need to find the profit. How much profit did we make selling the article? So this is the general formula, which is profit equals selling price minus the cost price. We know that the selling price is 4, the cost price is 3. So the profit would be 1. So now we need to get the value in the percentage format. Let me place it there, profit equal to 1. So we need to find the profit in percentage. So we know the formula, profit equal profit over the cost price, which is the original price, times 100. We already know the profit is 1 and the cost price is 3. So times 100, that would give me in the percentage format, which is 33.5%. for the profit equal to 33.5%. If you look at the option, we see that option C is correct, which is 33 1/3%. We can use other method, which is quite fast for the exam like scenario. We can write selling price equal to A over B times the cost price. Or we can write as profit percent equal A minus B over B. You can think of A as selling price and B as cost price. So A over B times 100. So profit percent would be 4 minus 3 over 3. I've already explained the value or the reason why we chose 3 and how this value came to be, meaning where did I get 4, where did I get 3. So times 100, that would give me 33.5%. Uploading the next video, which I'll be including the part 2 or part 3. So this will be like the first part, and then I'll continue the math section for the second and the third part. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.